Looking at the Kobalt 24 volt max 2-gallon cordless chemical sprayer kit. This is going to be an unboxing, so let's get right to it. First off, what we have in this box here, we have a sprayer wand, handle with hose, shoulder strap, charger, and battery. So let's take and open it up here. Okay. I'm going to be needing this outdoors, so a lot of weeds, my friends, a lot of weeds and bugs. Okay, first thing come out of the box is the user's manuals. There's about 3 of them there. Let me tip this down so you can see what's going on inside here. Okay. Here is the handle that you hold on to. Here is the spray wand. It attaches right here. Okay. And let's take out the styrofoam. This is the 2-gallon bottle. This is the shoulder strap. Set this aside so you can see what I'm doing here. And what I didn't battery in the battery charger was located in the bottom of the box. So here's your battery. It's a lithium-ion battery. And here is the charger. Here it's an AC charger. Make sure you charge it up before you use the unit. Okay. Okay, let's see if we can put it together. Guess you can see what I'm doing. Well, that's interesting. A little bit different. Okay. First thing again. Make sure you read the directions because it's not straightforward, that's for sure. The shoulder strap has an O-ring in there. That's interesting, put an O-ring in there. Wonder why they did that. Oh, because the hose is in here. The O-ring must have fallen out, or they're just extra ones. Okay, here's your shoulder strap. It's got elastic on it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that'll be nice. Okay, and here is your hose, and your 2 O-rings. Take them out of the bag here. And one smaller than the other. Now I want to see if I can get the hose onto the sprayer handle. All this is going to be under pressure once that starts up. You know, it feels okay. For the fun of it, put that there. There's not much to it. You take out the 2-gallon container here. Let's see if it will just plug in here. So we'll just plug that in there. Screw this in here. This is the tag that's on there. Don't need to be there any longer. Take that off of there. Okay, the battery I know goes in here. The back side. So we just move that over there. It opens like that. And the battery slides in like so. Okay, let's see, it's easy to put in. Okay, it's got two little finger knobs here. Press them in and pull that battery out. Okay, that's good. 2 hour amp. 2 AH. Okay, over here is where you fill up the container. I don't advise you using this cup at all because it's just going to get dirty. You want to keep it as clean as possible. What you're going to use in this thing would be own cups. See right here? A measuring cup. Per gallon you would take one of these and fill it up. One cup per gallon. This is a weed. This is eliminator, weed and grass killer. And you see it has its own measuring cup. Once it's full, 1 per gallon. Fill this up twice. Pour this in like this. And then you fill it up with water afterwards. This other one here is called Bio Advanced Season-Long Weed Control for Lawns. Kills and prevents weeds up to 6 months. Okay, and it too has a measuring cup. 1 cup full of this per gallon. It's super. This is super. It's called Tall Star. See if you can see it. And this is bug control. And first thing is I want to show you how this plugs into the battery charger. The battery goes in like this, and it takes probably about an hour to charge it. Make sure you do that before you use it, that it's fully charged. And the wand. What I didn't show you was how it extends. So you loosen this up here, and then you press this back inside like this. I already pulled it out, sorry. Make sure that's loose. Pull this out, put it back in, see? You're holding it down at this end here. Once this is disconnected, you can pull like this, and put it back like that all the way. Make sure it's all lined up properly, the way that you're going to be holding it. Okay, so whatever length you like it at. And I like it fully extended, so I'm just going to leave it out. Okay, this has been an unboxing of the Kobalt 2-gallon chemical sprayer.